Alright, so I'm starting off on the library webpage, and I have the book. I'm looking for the ebook, so I just have it copied. I'm just gonna paste that into one search. I know that this is the databases, but I just wanted to do the one search, and I just look for it. Then here's the book down here, so click on it and read full book online, and it is on. I need to authenticate myself, and so I'm thinking, I could be wrong, but I'm thinking this ebook, Comprehensive Academic Collections, is the database. So I hope that's it. But anyway, that's my screencast. Thank you.